Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Maps to Base44. First, make sure you are on the correct Base44 plan. Google Maps integrations are only available on the Builder or Starter plan. If you are on a lower plan, open your Base44 dashboard, go to Billing, and upgrade your plan before continuing. Without this step, the integration will not appear. Next, you need to get a Google Maps API key. Open your browser and go to the Google Maps platform website. Sign in with your Google account. Create a new project or select an existing one. Once inside the project, open the API library and enable the Google Places API. After that, go to the Credentials section and generate a new API key. Copy this key and keep it ready because you will paste it into Base44. Now return to your Base44 dashboard. Look for the section called Integrations. Click on it to see a list of available integrations. Scroll until you find Google Places or search for it. Click on it and then click Use this integration. Base44 will now ask for your API key. Find the field labeled Google Places API key. Paste your Google API key into this field. Double check that the key is correct and has no extra spaces. Save your changes. Once saved, Google Maps and Places are now connected to your Base44 app. Thanks for watching.